Hello traders and investors. Today I will cover my watch list for June 2021. First, I will offer my opinion of where I think the market is headed and discuss some key areas in the major indexes. Then I will share some short-term buying opportunities. I will also show you a quick way to find meme stocks or stocks trending on Reddit and social media. Alright, I hope everyone has been able to capitalize on some of the opportunities the market has offered this month. We know how the overall market condition can impact our short-term trades, so I'll start off by looking at the SPY. I mentioned in last month's video we were forming some consolidation, and the proposed federal tax policy was weakening market sentiment. With Biden's $6 trillion spending plan revealed recently, the market may see some consolidation over further inflation and tax concerns at this trendline resistance. Next, we'll look at the Qs, or QQQ. We can see in the Qs or tech sector where prices dropped at the support area I mentioned in last month's video. The price imbalances created by these runaway gaps here were closed as the market bounced in the support zone. You'll notice there are some smaller gaps that formed here recently. These may signal further consolidation or test of lows in the coming days. Next, let's look at the semiconductor sector with SOXX. You'll see this downtrend was tested on Friday, but it is still creating downward pressure. This trendline resistance can offer a trade opportunity by using the inverse semiconductor ETF SOXS. However, these trend lines tend to break in bull markets. As you can see, in the overall trend is still moving up. I consider a lower risk entry on SOXS when there is an exhaustion gap on SOXX, testing upper trendline support. I always follow my entry on SOXS with a trailing stop. I use it as a short-term trading instrument and not for investing long-term. You can see on the long-term daily chart this is a decaying asset. For example, a $10,000 investment 10 years ago would be worth about 16 cents today. However, because of its triple leverage, it can create fast returns in sharp market downturns. Now for the short-term buying opportunities. Ticker symbol X. US Steel is an integrated steel producer. US Steel is set to benefit from the infrastructure spending plan on roadways. I still see this as a buy under $27 and with an adjusted short-term target of $31. X is currently holding support and holding around $23.50. If it falls to fill this gap, I will be looking to add at $24.75. The proposed spending bill has substantial electric vehicle incentives included as well. For this reason, I like the following companies as value plays: FSR or Fisker. Fisker, known for its sustainable SUV called Ocean, was recently commissioned to build the first all-electric Popemobile. I see them as a buy at $14 with a target of $22. It's currently holding support at $10. Next, CCIV for Lucid Motors. CCIV has been trading in a tight consolidation range with support at $19.50. This could be used for timing day trades to $20 or swing trades to a target of about $25. A $40 target could be reached by this fall. Next, ticker symbol TSLA or Tesla, as the established name in EV vehicles is also set to benefit from this move. I will be looking to scale into prices below $624 or $560. I'll be looking for targets at $800 to $1,000. My next two plays may also benefit from federal spending in the semiconductor industry. Ticker symbol INTC. Intel Corporation is a leading supplier for x86 core processors and x86 server CPUs. It is expected to begin shipping its own GPUs in the fourth quarter. It had a sell-off after an earnings beat, leaving a substantial price imbalance. This gap in price is likely to be filled as there is plenty of room to the upside. I see this as a good buy under $58 with a short-term target of $61 to $67. INTC has trendline support at $55. Now for a leading supplier of GPUs or graphics processing units. NVDA has been on upward momentum along with other high social sentiment stocks. This stock is currently trading at what I consider short-term sell territory. It is forming a rollover pattern. This could be a pullback opportunity for a climb higher, but I prefer patience and waiting for these price imbalances to close. For this reason, I see this as a strong buy at $570 with a target of $675. This could currently be traded as an overextended hype play with a short sell position with those price imbalances as targets to cover. As mentioned before, NVDA has been a top stock on Reddit's Wall Street Bets forum. To find these trending stocks, I use a data mining site, SwaggyStocks.com. Swaggy Stocks tracks social media mentions of ticker symbols. It also graphs the bullish or bearish social sentiment. However, it pays to use common sense and enter these trades in high value zones. In my new $2,000 trading account featured in last month's video, I traded using low risk entries with the profit trapping bracket orders I feature on my channel. I ended the month with a 9.8% profit, even while only being able to make 3-day trades within 5 business days under the PDT rule. I hope you gain insight for your own trading as I share my personal trade ideas. If you find value in these videos, all I ask is that you smash that like button. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already and select the notifications bell. I will be posting more of my high probability trade ideas. Thanks for watching. Remember, everything expressed on this channel is my personal opinion. In order to have conviction in your own trades, it helps to do your own due diligence. As always, I wish you the best in your trading.